Many animals possess strength that even the strongest humans could only dream about. Different animals have different kinds of strength. Some have pure brute strength and are capable of lifting, dragging, carrying, or pulling enormous weights. Others may be much smaller yet have immense power compared to their size. Here are 10 of the world's strongest animals. Prepare to be amazed. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Saltwater crocodile. Reaching lengths of more than 23 feet and weighs over 2,200 pounds, the saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile on the planet and is a formidable predator throughout its range. Saltwater crocodiles of this size are capable of eating just about any animal that strays too close and are particularly adept at drowning terrestrial creatures like birds and mammals. Named for its ability to survive in full salinity seawater, saltwater crocodiles typically live in brackish water near the coast. Though crocodiles and their relatives have a negative reputation among people, most species are relatively harmless and would rather avoid people rather than confront them. The saltwater crocodile, however, is known to show aggression towards people, partly a result of its strong territoriality, and is responsible for at least several dozen attacks on people each year. The extremely powerful jaws of the saltwater crocodile are responsible for creating the strongest bite in the animal world. The strong teeth can be up to 5 inches long. These two characteristics and the animal's ability to hold its breath for long periods of time make it the perfect predator for hunting large land mammals. Number 9. Belgian blue cow. It's been more than a decade since humans have cracked their own genetic code, but we have yet to wake up to a world of engineered life forms on the island of Dr. Moreau. While we are waiting for genetic science to mature, maybe we should take a long look at cows, specifically the Belgian blue. This muscle-bound meathead is a monument to the genetic power of the selective breeding. A single genetic defect, a faulty myostatin gene, is responsible for its enormous bulk, and that defect was carefully passed on through the breed for more than a century before it was even known what was causing the cattle's impressive double muscling. For those who have never seen a Belgian blue in person, the experience is dramatic. Imagine walking past a dozen or so regular bulls and being intimidated by their sheer size and strength. Then imagine passing a bull so heavily laden with muscle it makes all those scary bulls look like cupcakes. That's the Belgian blue, and despite the breed's docility, it never fails to impress onlookers as a very frightening animal. They can have 40% or more additional edible muscle mass, most of which is lean meat. They gain weight well and quickly and produce high protein milk for their young. Number 8. Bighorn sheep. Bighorn sheep get their name from the large curved horns on the males, or rams, with female sheep sporting shorter, less curved horns. Legendary for the ability to climb high, steep, rocky mountain areas, various bighorn subspecies and a distinct population occur in the western United States. Fighting for dominance or mating rights, males face each other, rear upon their hind legs, and hurl themselves at each other in charges of some 20 miles an hour. The resounding clash of horns can be heard echoing through the mountains as the confrontation is repeated, sometimes for many hours, until one ram submits and walks away. The animal's thick, bony skull usually prevents serious injury. A bighorn ram's horns can weigh 30 pounds, more than all the bones in his body combined. Number 7. Zebra. Anyone that has spent time with horses know they can deliver a mean kick, especially if they buck to deliver a blow with both hind feet. A zebra's kick is rumored to be even more menacing, but the evidence to support this purely anecdotal. Zebras are known to be harder to tame than horses, which might be why the idea that their kicks are more savage is so widespread. Tim Caro of the University of California, Davis has dedicated much of his career to studying zebras, even going so far as to dress up as a zebra to study them in the wild. In his 2016 book Zebra Stripes, he describes how plains zebras deal with predators. Video footage has shown that the zebras kick lions in the chest, but there is no scientific record of these kicks being fatal. Why do zebras have stripes at all? Scientists aren't sure, but many theories center on their utility as some form of camouflage. The patterns may make it difficult for predators to identify a single animal from a running herd and distort the skin at dawn and dusk. Or they may distort insects that recognize only large areas of single-colored fur or act as a kind of natural sunscreen. Because of their uniqueness, stripes may also help zebras recognize one another. Number 6. Pit Bull. American Pit Bull Terrier is a short-haired, medium-sized dog. They have great muscles and an athletic body. Pit Bulls were bred for fighting. Their muscled body makes them a perfect fighter. They are agile, fast, and strong. Pit Bulls are infamous for their aggressive nature, but in reality, their temperament is not that bad. They are very gentle and loyal dogs. With proper training, they will be able to socialize with other people easily. American Pit Bulls are very comfortable with dogs and they keep their patience while playing with little kids. Some people think of an American Pit Bull as a bad and dangerous dog, but it is not true. They are amazing dogs just like many others. If properly trained, they will be obedient and gentle. They are a misunderstood breed of dog. The weight in male American Pit Bull Terriers is 55 to 66 lbs and in female it is 44 to 55 lb. The height of American Pit Bull male is 18 to 19 inch and in female 17 to 18 inches. The life expectancy is 12 years. Number 5. Spotted hyena. Spotted hyenas are famed scavengers and often dine on the leftovers of other predators. But these hardy beasts are also skilled hunters that will take down wild beasts or antelope. They also kill and eat birds, lizards, snakes, and insects. Spotted hyenas are some of Africa's most proficient predators. A frenzied scrum of them can dismantle and devour a 400-pound zebra in 25 minutes. An adult spotted hyena can tear off and swallow 30 or 40 pounds of meat per feeding. Latecomers to a kill use their massive jaw muscles and molars to pulverize the bones for minerals and fatty marrow. Hair and hooves get regenerated later. The only thing left is a patch of blood on the ground. Spotted hyenas sometimes scavenge, but contrary to a popular belief, they kill 95% of their food. As hunters alone or in groups, they equal leopards, cheetahs, and lions. Yet the lion is considered noble, the cheetah graceful, and the leopard courageous, while the hyena is seen as sneaky and vicious, a cringing scavenger, a graveyard lurker. Number 4. Bald eagle. The bald eagle is actually a sea eagle that commonly occurs inland along rivers and large lakes. The adult male is about 90 cm long and has a wingspan of 2 meters. Females, which grow somewhat larger than males, may reach in length and have a wingspan of 2.5 meters. Both sexes are dark brown with a white head and tail. The bird is not actually bald. Its name derives from the conspicuous appearance of its white feathered head. The beak, eyes, and feet are yellow. Bald eagles pluck fish out of the water with their talons and sometimes they follow seabirds as a means of locating fish. Bald eagles also rob ospreys of their fish. Besides live fish, bald eagles also prey on other birds, small mammals, snakes, turtles, and crabs, and they readily eat carrion. According to scientists at HawkWest, an environmental education non-profit in Colorado, a bald eagle's gripping strength is 10 times stronger than the average grip of an adult human hand. A bald eagle can exert upwards of 400 pounds per square inch. Number 3. Hercules the liger. Wait till you get a look at this Guinness Book of World Records 3-time winner Hercules the liger. A crossbreed of a lion father and a tiger mama, measures up to his name, weighing in at more than 900 pounds and 11 feet tall when standing on his hind legs. His hearty diet consists of 20 pounds of beef or chicken each day, which he burns off in no time with his 50 miles per hour runs and swims. Hercules eats around 13.6 kg of meat, about the same weight as a 2-year-old child, every day, washed down with several liters of water. Although the cross between lions and tigresses happens naturally without the need of IVF, this only happens in parks and reserves, as lions and tigers don't cross territories in the wild. Number 2. Jaguars. Jaguars are the only big cat in the Americas and the third biggest in the world after tigers and lions. They look a lot like leopards, which live in Africa and Asia, but jaguar spots are more complex and often have a dot in the center. Unlike many other cats, jaguars do not avoid water. In fact, they are quite good swimmers. They hunt fish, turtles, and even canids, using their incredibly powerful jaws to pierce the animal's skulls. Jaguar also eat deer, pecarias, capybaras, tapirs, and a number of other land animals which they prefer to ambush at night. Jaguars live alone and they are territorial. They define their area by marking with their waist or clawing trees. A solitary predator, the jaguar is a stalk and ambush hunter. Its name comes from the Indian word jaguar, meaning he who kills with one leg. Jaguars are swift and agile and are very good climbers. Number 1. Horned dung beetle. The world's strongest bug has been revealed. Onthophagus taurus, a species of horned dung beetle that can pull 1,141 times its own body weight, the equivalent of a 150-pound person pulling 6 double-decker buses full of people, according to Live Science. Dung beetle, also called dung chafer or tumblebug, one of any of a group of beetles in the family Scarabaeidae that forms manure into a ball using its scooper-like head and a paddle-shaped antennae. In some species, the ball of manure can be as large as an apple. In the early part of the summer, the dung beetle buries itself and the ball and feeds on it. Later in the season, the female deposits eggs in the balls of dung on which the larvae will later feed. That makes it a third stronger than the strongest known insect, the rhinoceros beetle, hundreds of times stronger than ants and just a shade weaker than the world's strongest animal, a tiny yet tenacious mite known as Archogosites longicetosis. And that would be all. Let's end this one here before it gets any creepier. If you think you enjoyed, do press the like button. In case you want to continue watching videos like these, go to our YouTube channel. Have some fun, guys. Make sure to drop some comments and tell us how you like the channel. We are signing off now. Keep vibing.